Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we are doing simple yoga asana for beginner. So let's get started. Sit down onto your mat. Find yourself comfortable and take a moment. Come into the easiness onto your mat, into the now. Gently open your eyes and go into downward dog pose. So bringing your hands onto the ground, make sure that it's shoulder wide apart. Raise your hips up and push your hips towards the ceiling. Push all the way your chest towards the ground and let your body be a little bit warm up. And just do slowly and easily, don't have to push into a perfect downward dog. So if you're doing this, it's okay, just push slightly and try bring your legs at a time a little bit forward so that you can nicely give a stretch to your back, your shoulders, your back of the legs, and basically the whole body is getting warm up. And you can hold this for between 5 breaths to up to 10 breaths, depending on how much you want to work out, how much yoga asana you want to practice at the moment. And once you're done, come onto the cat pose. Stretching nice into the cat. It's very easy, very simple, not much to do. So we will coordinate the breathing with the stretches. So for inhaling, whenever you're inhaling, you want to arch your back, give a nice stretch into your back this way. And your head comes up. At this moment, you are inhaling, slow, long and deep. And with exhale, you're going forward, lifting your stomach in, head comes towards the chest. Let's do one more time, inhaling, coming upward, exhaling downward, inhale up, exhale down, two more time, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Now stand up onto your knees. We will do half camel. So inhale, bring your right arm towards the right foot and try touch the leg. And this hand can be down here, check how you feel. If you feel okay, easy, then only bring your hand up. Exhale down, very slowly and gently bring this hand up and releasing, changing the hand to other side. Inhaling, left arm up and bringing it towards the left foot. Again, check how you feel. When you're doing this, you should be in control and don't need to go too much. If you can't go further, if you feel that the foot is still too far, you can skip. Otherwise, it's pretty easy. And once you're ready, you can lift the right arm up. Exhale down and very slowly sit up onto your knees and open your knees and join the sole of the feet together this way and lifting the chest up. When you lift the chest up, the more your chest is up, the more you're going to work onto your hips and onto your back. So shaking the leg, and gradually stop, stretching your leg out. Take your right leg into your hands this way and very slowly, gently stretch. I mean, you don't have to hold this way. You can just simply lift the leg, hold it wherever it is, and just gently stretch. I mean, our aim is in this video that we just practice the yoga that is the most easy and simple in your body. So it doesn't have to be same as I'm doing or other people might be doing if you're doing with somebody. So just do what is easy. Just give a nice stretch into whole of this area when you're doing this. As soon as you feel stretch is good. Changing the leg. Gently stretch again. That's good. Bring the leg down. Again, lift the right leg. This time you support your leg under this way, and you're going to rotate your knee as wide motion as you can. Other way around. So these are gonna be easy to perform by anybody. As soon as you are sitting upright and straight and rotating your knee, this you cannot hurt. I mean, there is no way you can hurt unless somebody coming and doing the movement for you, because for you this is your natural rotation that you're doing, and therefore it's basically giving the stretch and compression into your knee joint, and that's it. Repeating the same with the other side. Other way around. That's good. Now stretch your legs out as wide as you can. Go slightly forward. Make sure your back is straight. Going slightly forward means to keep straight, because otherwise you might be sitting on your tailbone. So you can take support of your hand. Sit nice straight and bring this hand on the back. With this hand, try touch the foot. If you can't touch the toe, you can touch on your shin bones. Repeat the same. If you can't touch, you touch down here 2 times like this. Okay, if this is easy, then you're going to touch the foot or shin bone and try lift this arm higher to give slight twist. If you can hold the toe, it's good, and then try lift the hand. Repeat. Yeah, it's good. Now bring the hand this way and rotate as if you are grinding something. Very easy. Again, keep your back straight. This way you can easily give stretches to your body. Come down. Now bring the hand up and down. 3 times. Up and down. Up and down, up and down. So when you do this, again, make sure that you don't go too lower, so you can give a nice stretch to this area. Sit into Sukhasana and close your eyes for a moment and see how you're feeling. if you are feeling okay, continue the yoga practice. If you're feeling that you have done enough, then you can stop and rest for a while. You can pause the video. You can always take a moment, close your eyes and go inside and see how you're feeling. Practicing a simple yogasana, helping you, reducing stress, making you easy to practice the asana. And if you feel too tired or strained, you can simply pause the video, rest for a while, and then restart again. Now gently lie down onto your back. Keep your feet together, hands by the side. Lift your right knee up and roll your right knee as if you're cycling with one leg, because it's possible that some of you watching the video are very beginner. So you don't have to do both legs, might be difficult. So we can start with one leg at a time, other way around. That's good. Then change the leg. Start with the left leg. Other way around. That's good. Come down. Now gently lift both legs up. We will repeat the same with both legs. Go ahead, cycling. And if this is difficult, you can skip it and keep on to just doing one leg at a time. Don't have to be both legs together. But if you can do both legs together, it's going to be much stronger and effective. Other way around. That's good. Now stretch your legs out. Bend your right knee. And then hold with your hand this way. Try stretch. How much can you stretch? Okay? So don't have to go ahead and hold your toe right away. You can just take the leg and gently push the leg towards you and see how you're feeling. What is your limit? How much can you push yourself? But don't need to push too much. Just do what is easy and comfortable and you still feel good. As soon as you're feeling good by doing that, keep pushing, and wherever you feel strain, stop. That's good. Change the side, change the leg. Lifting the left leg, hugging, and then stretching the leg and trying to push the leg towards you and see what is possible with your left leg. Right side doesn't have to be the same on the left side, as we have different body, left and right, so different strength, different flexibility. So don't worry if this leg is less flexible than another. That's good. Come down. Bend the right knee again. Hug with your hand. Inhale. Try lift your head and touch your knee to the forehead. Just try. Don't have to touch the knee to the forehead. Try. See what is happening. How much can you go? Stay there. Keep breathing. Don't forget to breathe. Don't choke. And exhale down. And when you keep doing this every day, you're going to improve day by day, of course. Inhale, lift your head up. Today you are here, tomorrow you will be there, day after tomorrow you will be there, and in 1 week you will be able to touch your knee to the forehead. For now, keep it there and just try push gently and see what is happening. How are you feeling? Exhale down. Now join the sole of the feet together and drop your knees out. This way you will give nice stretch to your hip area, also the hamstrings and the hip area, hip joints. Now if you want to give furthermore stretch to your back, bring your hands around, up over the top of the head, close your eyes and relax. It seems very easy pose, but it's very effective. It's working a lot for your body, so go ahead, stay as long as you want. You could hold from 30 seconds to up to 5 minutes. Now gently come back, stretch legs out. Bring your hands by the side and then bring your hands under your body all the way. The more you elbow in, the better the asana gonna be. Then inhale, lift your head up and try stand on your elbows. Look at your toes, and after that draw your chest outward and bring your head towards the ground. Rest there. Make sure that your main push is with your elbows, so you're not putting much weight onto your neck. If you can't go all the way down, you may as well stay here and try go slowly as much you can, like trying pushing slightly and staying here. But the thing is, in staying here might feel more strain to your neck. So better that you roll your head slightly and rest onto the ground, but keep pushing with your elbows so that your neck doesn't hurt. Then again, lift your head up, look at your toes and drop your body down. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling, and rest. After that, turn around. Once you're done with resting, sit up and go into child pose, my favorite asana. Perfect asana for reducing any tension, anxiety, worries. Stretching all the way. Stretching and placing your forehead onto the ground and rest completely. And these were the simple asanas that you can practice easily if you are completely beginner, and improve yourself so that you can do the further asana practice. Keep connected with me and keep me updated how it's going so that I can help you on your journey of yoga to improve your body, mind and spirit. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon next to it. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can also practice these simple asanas and stay healthy. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.